welcome back to my channel. My name is scrapqueen and today I'm going to show you what's in the kit. If you like this project, please, if you did not watch it already, please watch the walkthrough about this folio. If you like to make exactly the same, you want to use exactly the same materials, then stay tuned because I'm going to show you what's inside this kit to make this. Alright, first of all, we have four sets. Oh my gosh, I lost the nail. four sets of the Autumn in Avonlea from UHK gallery. I love these papers. Absolutely stunning. So you got four sets. In each set there are 6 pages. So in total you will have 24 papers. I used 3 of these, which I still have left some leftovers. So you have, if you have the same amount, well, if you're gonna cut all the papers the same as I did, then you will have 1 left. So you can miscut as many as you like. Then you still have 1 set extra. Then of course there is a welcome note, just a welcome note, nothing else is on there. You got 3 chipboard pieces to make the cover. There are also 3 strips of extra cutouts. Love them. Then of course there is a big flower bag and a beautiful ribbon set. And then you can make, and of course the metal embellishments, I almost forgot. So, and then you can make exactly the same thing as I did. So send me an email if you like to order this kit and ask for the Dream Folio kit, and I will tell you all the information. Tell me where you're coming from so I can calculate right away the shipping cost for you. So there is a limited edition, so be fast, don't wait too long, and I hope you will have enjoy. By the way, this folio is made by the folio that my mom made. Many of you requested if I want to make a tutorial like the folio that my mom made. That was this one. So this folio made my mom. So I did a remake of it. Changed a little tiny bit, but the most of it is pretty much the same. So yeah. Give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. Send me an email if you like to order this kit. Watch the walkthrough. Watch everything. Every tutorial. I believe there are 12 parts of this tutorial. So having fun, guys. Happy crafting. Bye bye. Till next time.